Welcome to the NovaCore NovaCloud tutorial. In this video, we will be showing you how to navigate around the traffic light system. First thing you want to do in NovaCore is hover over Start here and choose the framework in which you want to have a look at and have a look at the traffic light system. For this example, we will be using the SRTO framework. Under the Manage tab, choose View Framework. It'll take you to the traffic light system. Understanding all of this is actually very simple. We'll start from the left-hand side and work our way to the right. On the left-hand side, no matter what framework you have chosen, you will have all of your standards on the left-hand side. They'll be laid out individually, including all substandards and clauses. If you single-click any of them, it will then populate the center. This center will have the definition of the standard in which you clicked on. It'll also have an intent, key actions, responsible persons field that you can fill in. That is not a mandatory field, but you can fill it in if you want to add additional information. It'll also show you all the documents linked to that standard, condition, or clause that shows how you're adhering to that particular standard. If we jump back over to the left, we'll see that there are numbers. Not only is there a 33 in red, but there is also a 44 next to it just to the right. The 33 indicates how many issues there are with that particular standard document-wise. The color of the traffic light indicates the severity of the issue. So that is considered a fairly major non-compliance if the light is red. The 44 indicates how many files total are linked to that standard. So basically what it's telling me is there's an issue with 33 documents out of the 44 that are linked to that standard. Obviously, you would like your traffic lights to be green, such as standard 1.9a. This indicates that all 4 documents linked to that standard are compliant and are within the dates of their review. You can see that there is no number inside the green traffic light. If a document is approaching its review date, you will get an amber light with a number inside it. That doesn't indicate that there is a major non-compliance, it just simply is telling you that a document is approaching its review date. If you allow that review date to lapse, you will then get a red traffic light with the number inside it. What constitutes a red traffic light? Well, it's very simple. Anything that is past its review date, not been approved, deleted, in draft mode will give you a red traffic light. Obviously, the goal is to get all the lights green, but you'll have to do that by revising and editing each document and staying on top of your compliance. Navigating to the right-hand side now, we're going to see a list of all of our available documents for that particular standard. We can filter that to show policies only, procedures only, and any other classification that you have. We can even have a look at the other documents in other frameworks, including the document management system. And you can choose documents from your actual DMS if you wanted to use those. Visit novacore.com.au or head to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/NovaCore Systems for more helpful tutorial videos.